Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Econo Lodge West Yarmouth, Cape Cod. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring a heated indoor pool, this Cape Cod hotel is located only a short distance from beautiful beaches, shopping centers and the famous Kennedy compound. Area points of interest, including the Cape Cod Factory Outlet Mall and the Otis Air National Guard Base, can be found only a short distance from the Econo Lodge West Yarmouth, Cape Cod. Ferries leading to Nantucket Island and Martha's Vineyard are also easily accessible from the hotel. Discounted ferry tickets are available at the front desk. Guests staying at the West Yarmouth Econo Lodge can start the day with a refreshing swim in the indoor pool. The hotel also offers free wireless internet access along with in-room refrigerators and HBO film channels. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.